Hey guys, today I'm reviewing the Belkin lightning cable charger. Charges your iPhone 5S, 6, 6 Plus, iPad, anything with a lightning port on it. So plugs right into there. So let's get right into this. The cable is very nice. It's not gonna like wear away and break. It's about 1 meter long, so about as long as your lightning cable you got from Apple. Charge and sync, hook it up to your computer or the wall. It was $15 on Amazon, so basically it's as much as a cable, or less if you buy it from some people, like Belkin. But this is a dock, so the one thing I don't like about it is the ability to stand up like a dock. It stands straight up right out of there, so you actually have to push it back. This is what I was thinking it would do, is kind of a diagonal so you could see it. It does sit like that, but it will always come back up. Like if you right when you plug it in, it sits in there, but it's straight up almost. So another thing I don't like about it is when you're pulling it back out. I had problems pulling it out. I would have to hold on to the thing with another hand and pull it out. That is something. What I do like is the new iOS 8 update lets you talk to Siri while your phone is charging. So basically, I have this sitting on my desk with my computer. Hey Siri, and I can respond to a text message that was just sent to me. It's really sweet. Like I said, just 15 bucks. You get yourself one. They got them in different colors. Some of the colors cost up to $30, and I don't know. I just decided that I didn't really need that badly, so I went with it. Pretty much that's the only thing that I don't like about it. It's really nice, and it's not broken. I mean, it doesn't break easily. It's very flexible. It has, if you're worrying about your case fitting it, I actually had a spec case that would go right around the corners here, and it did not fit this case. It did not fit it, so I had to get this case, which is basically a holder here with a big open spot right here, because if you look on here, it actually has indentations right here, so it has to fit right in that spot, and if it doesn't fit there, it's not going to go all the way in the charger, not going to charge. So I got rid of my spec and got this. The Apple silicone case for the iPhone 6 Plus and 6 will work because of the edge. It stops right here, which is really nice. I like that. But yeah, this is made for the iPhone 5S and the other ones just because of the size. It's exactly the same size as them, but it will also work with your 6 and 6 Plus. It'll also work with an iPad. Plug your iPad in there. There's no reason why it wouldn't. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next review. Comment below what you want me to review. I might be able to get it, or I could just review it on my computer. So thanks for watching. See you in the Kia.